There are some rules that the FMEA team needs to consider in the process to ensure the session is efficient and productive. Consider one failure at a time, clearly identify the function of the system analyzed, record the context of operation of the device analyzed, consider only reasonable causes and failure modes, list all end effects from a failure, list the different causal chains that cause a failure. If a mitigation action has eliminated the failure mode or has made its likelihood very low or almost zero, the row of the failure can be eliminated. Otherwise, you can keep it for informational reference. The risk of failure can be determined by the calculation of risk priority number, RPN. The RPN is determined by the multiplication of three factors. Severity, S, is the consequence if a failure occurs. Occurrence, O, is the probability of frequency that a failure occurs. Detectability, D, is the probability that a failure is detected before the impact of the effect is realized. The available data and knowledge of the process or device can help the FMEA team rate each potential failure mode and effect. Risk estimation can be done using the quantitative method or qualitative method. The qualitative method can be used when quantifiable data is unavailable. For example, you can use a 3x3 matrix to categorize risks in 3 different zones: high, medium, and low. When using the quantitative method, you can rate each factor qualitatively by severity, occurrence, and detectability on a scale. For example, ranging from 1 to 10, or from 1 to 3, or from low to high. By multiplying the ranking for the 3 factors, severity times occurrence times detection, a RPN will be determined for each potential failure mode and effect. The risk acceptability level is the RPN value used as a threshold to determine if the risk of a failure is acceptable. If the RPN obtained is above this value, then corrective actions need to be taken to mitigate or lower the RPN value below the acceptable level. If the resulting RPN is still above the acceptable level, then further improvement and corrective action must continue until the resulting new RPN is at an acceptable level for all potential failure modes. There are 10 steps to complete the FMEA process. The FMEA is usually documented in a spreadsheet or with a specific tool that can easily calculate the RPN value in a systemized way.